Okay, now I'm going to show you a 76 with a custom steering wheel. A wheel that I was told by Grant Steering Wheel and every car builder who builds Corvettes says couldn't be possible. You can't put a different wheel in other than the one that came with it. Come on, let's take a look at it. Now this wheel right here is what a 77 did have, 78s and so forth. And this is a 76. It's a custom 76, as you can see. It's a beautiful car. It's got a custom white leather interior. They walk around the center.
He said I had one just like her son, 1963. Hit a man down at the bank to turn from me.
Well, as you can see, he's shark crazy, this guy. And it's a beautiful car. 76 with a 77 wheel, a 77 with a 76 wheel.